Today we are going to learn about the triangles and its classification. First of all, we have to learn what is a triangle. A triangle is a closed figure bounded by three line segments. Okay? A triangle is a closed figure bounded by three line segments. For example, this is a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, it is a closed figure bounded by three line segments, that is AB is one line segment and BC is another line segment and CA is another line segment. Line segment is nothing but a line which is having the fixed length. If it is, then it is called as line segment. So a triangle has three sides, that is one length is AB, one length is BC and one length is CA, and it has three angles. What are those angles? Let us see. First angle is angle ABC. This is the angle created between A, B and C. So first angle is angle ABC. We can take this angle as CBA also. No problem. We can take this angle as ABC or CBA. Next, another angle is BCA. Angle formed between BC and A. Angle BCA. So this is the second angle. This is the first angle, angle ABC. Next angle is BCA. Next angle is CAB. CAB. The angle formed is here. So this is the first angle, this is the second angle, this is the third angle. So triangle is a closed figure bounded by three line segments and it has three sides, AB, BC and C. Next, it has three angles, that is namely angle ABC, angle BCA, angle CAB. So it has three angles and three sides. This angle ABC is also called as angle B. Why? Means in middle the vertex formed is the angle. So in between ABC angle, the middle one is denoting the angle B, and this middle one will be denoting the angle C, that is angle BCA. The middle vertex will denote the angle C and middle vertex A will denote the angle A. So angle A can be also called as CAB or BAC. Angle C is also called as BCA or ACB. And angle ABC is also called as angle B or angle CBA. So like this we can differentiate the angles. Now coming on to the vertices. It has three vertices. The vertex is nothing but the joining point of the two sides of any triangle. So this is one vertex, that is vertex A, vertex B. This is another vertex, this is another vertex. Vertex is nothing but joining point of the two line segments. For example, this line segment BC and AC is joining at point C. So vertex C is formed. And the line segment CA and BA are meeting at a point A. This is nothing but vertex A. Next, joining point of AB and CB is B. So it forms vertex B. So it has three vertices, namely that is vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Vertex is nothing but the joining point of the any two line segments of the given triangle. So a triangle is classified into three sides, three angles and three vertices. Now coming on to the classification of triangles. Today we are going to learn about the classification of triangles and its classification. So these triangles are basically classified according to the sides and angles. So the triangles are classified basing upon the sides and angles. So triangle is classified according to the sides and according to the angles. Triangles are classified basically based upon the sides and angles. Let us come to the first type of triangle, that is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle is a triangle in which the three sides are equal. A equilateral triangle is a triangle in which three sides are equal. Let us take a triangle here. These three sides are equal. That is, length of AB and BC and CA are equal. That's why it is called as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which three sides are equal. Now coming on to the next classification, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. First of all, classification of triangles is based upon the sides and angles. First type of triangle is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. That is, the length of AB, BC and CA are equal. Now coming on to the second classification, that is the classification based upon the sides, that is the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which any two sides are equal and third side is unequal. So in this isosceles triangle, we can see that two sides will be equal and third side will be unequal. So let us consider the triangle ABC. Here the equal sides are AB and AC and unequal side is BC. Okay. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal and another third side is unequal. Two sides are equal and third side is unequal. That is the isosceles triangle. Now coming on to the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which three sides are unequal. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which three sides are unequal. For example, let us consider this triangle. Let us consider this triangle A, B, C. Here these three sides are unequal. Length of AB is not equal to BC and length of BC is not equal to length of CA. So first of all, here equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all the three sides are equal. That is, length of AB and BC and CA are equal. Next, isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. That is, length of AB is equal to length of AC. And third side is BC is unequal. Coming on to the scalene triangle, a triangle in which all the three sides are unequal. Means length of AB is not equal to length of BC, which is not equal to length of CA. So this is the classification of triangles based upon the sides. Now coming on to the classification of triangles based upon the angles. Now here also let us consider three types. First of all, the acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle is a triangle in which three angles are acute. Acute is nothing but less than 90 degrees. The three angles in a triangle are less than 90 degrees. We can consider as acute angle triangle. Means, for example, this angle is 60, this angle is 70, this angle is 50. We can see that all the measurement of the three angles are less than 90 degrees. So we can say that this is an acute angle triangle. So a triangle in which all the three angles are acute. This type of triangle is called acute angle triangle. Okay. Now coming on to the next type of triangle based upon the angles is the obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. For let us consider this triangle ABC. We can see that this angle B is more than 90 degrees. More than 90 means it may be 100 or 120 or 130, but it should be less than 180. So obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is obtuse. Acute angle triangle is a triangle in which three angles are acute. Now coming on to the last classification of the triangle, that is the right angle triangle. Last type of triangle is called the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees. If one of the angle in a triangle is equal to 90 degrees, it is called as right angle triangle. So let us consider this figure. Here in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. If one of the angle in a triangle is equal to 90 degrees, it is called as right angle triangle. Okay. So once again I am recapping all the information which I told you in the class. That is a triangle is a closed figure bounded by three line segments. Triangle is a closed figure bounded by three line segments, and triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Triangles has the three sides, three angles and three vertices. Triangles are classified based upon the sides and angles. Triangles are classified based upon the sides and angles. Here, based upon the sides, equilateral triangle will come, isosceles triangle will come, and scalene triangle will come. Depending upon the angles, first is acute angle triangle will come, next obtuse angle triangle will come, next the right angle triangle. Okay. Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which three sides are equal. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which three sides are equal. Here two sides are equal. Scalene triangles, three sides are unequal. Okay, here in a scalene triangle, three sides are unequal. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. In equilateral triangle, three sides are equal. Now acute angle triangle is a triangle in which three angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, three angles are less than 90 degrees. It is called acute angle triangle. Next, obtuse angle triangle is one of the angle greater than 90 degrees. That is called the obtuse angle triangle. Last is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees. So with this we end the classification of triangles today. Let us continue the coming class with another type of new class. Okay, thank you very much.